Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I would like to take this moment to say thank you to you, all my subscribers and viewers. 2018 is winding down, and as the winter solstice and Christmas approach, the old year dies and the new one is born. During the past 12 months, many people took the decision to subscribe to my channel, and others who had already subscribed remained on the list. It's easy to take things for granted, but I wanted to express my appreciation for your faith in my channel. Every time I see the subscriber total has increased, it boosts my confidence in the videos I create. Every time I see new likes on the videos, I am assured that the video has informed or inspired someone. Every time I see that the videos have been shared, I am motivated to make more videos. And every time I see comments and dialogue beneath the videos, it's a sign that viewers saw something that provoked a reaction and that the video generated discussion. So even if you don't realize it, by subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting on my videos, you are encouraging me to make more. So thank you very much to all those who have subscribed, liked, shared and commented on my videos in 2018. I truly appreciate the support, and I look forward to making more videos for you. Wishing you and your families peace, health and prosperity throughout 2019.